there, cutie friends! It's me, Cutie Vet, and welcome to my vlog. For today's vlog, cutie friends, we're going to Casa Ilustrisimo. Itatry natin yung mga ramen nila, yung mga Japanese food nila, kasi masarap daw balita namin. So, pupunta kami doon ng family ko para makapag-relax and unwind din. So, this is unexpected plan. So, samahan niyo ako, guys. Guys, ayan, papunta na kami. Kasama si Mothers, Ate Jinky. Ayan, tapos yung mga kiddos. Ayan. Hello! Where's George? Dito na kami sa Casa Ilustrisimo. This is my third time coming up here. Ayan, mag-anak naman namin yung may-ari nito. So, ngayon ulit nakalabas. Chill-chill lang with the family. Hello! Ayun pa yung dalawa.
You should have transferred the title.
What are you playing ba?
Chopstick.
Okay.
No. Hindi mo na.
Test itong sugar.
Ano, Ate Tess? Walang sugar. Oh, ayan na. Masarap ba?
Sarap ang pais niya eh.
Di ba kasi nilagay niya? Nawala antok mo?
Hindi antok yan. Hangover.
Ay, hangover ba?
Hangover sa kulang sa tulog.
Inom ka daw muna. Ha? Try mong inumin. Walang sugar.
Ay, dami.
Matapang kasi yan. Ang lasa. Sarap, te. Sarap ba, te? Purong kapang barako, guys.
A few moments later.
May gyoza, guys.
This is our
Kain. Gyoza, guys. Sarap, guys. Legit na gyoza, guys. Yum. Try. Go, Sayin. Sarap, Sayin? Nagustuhan niya din. Did you try it? The gyoza. Sarap yan. Sarap, ma? Ramen.
Why do we have to pick one?
Ano mo?
Aliwabo.
Bakit?
Sarap.
That's it.
Bakit?
Sarap.
Ay, alam ko na kung bakit. What are you doing, ate?
Ay, puno na nga kayo.
We have another brace when we were a kids. Not like that. You know that?
The one that you have the whole head?
No. Yung sa ano, balat nung bubble gum. Yung may ate.
Nagamit nila dito yung mga...
How about you, George? Is that yummy?
Yeah, but there's too much, so I thought this never get.
Sarap yan, ma. Ang laki na sa... Yum, yum, kakat. Is that yummy? Yummy rice? Happy birthday. Kakat? Is that? Where's Kuya Sayin? There, Kuya Sayin. Hi, cute. Guys, ang laki niya pala. Kain. Ramen, guys. Miss ramen. Let's eat. Natin, guys, yung soup muna. Masarap yung soup, guys. I-try this. Very savory yung flavor. Harap, guys. Mainit pa siya, actually. Finally! Jat-jat! There! Jat-jat is here! Sarap ba? Nagustuhan ni Mother. Yung ramen, guys, legit siya. Ang sarap. Pati gyoza. Panalo, guys. Punta kayo dito sa Casa Ilustrisimo. Dito lang sa Sulsugin, Alfonso, Cavite. Basta yun na yun. Dessert tayo, guys. Guys, ang sarap din ng brownies nila. Parang kagaya dun sa KFC na brownies. Ganito yung lasa. Hindi siya ganun. Coco! Hi!
Kaya mo yan.
Guys, lahat naman ng kinain namin so far, masarap. So, try nyo din dito, guys. Guys, mga kiddos, Josh, Sayin, George. Ayan, kumakain pa din sila. Up to now. Pauwi na kami sa bahay and kakatapos ko lang din maligo. After nyan, aakyat naman ako sa second floor para bantayan si Chut Chut or si Edward Zeus, yung pamangkin ko na baby. So, thank you for watching, guys. Hope you'd like my video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye. See ya. Have a nice day and keep safe all.